guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm down here in LA. Drove down from Fresno for the Revival Minitruck meet, which is going on tomorrow. I decided to come a day early for Saturday. I didn't want to leave Fresno like 2, 3 in the morning and get to Santa Monica, be all tired. Plus, there's a car show going on right now. A little bit extra, more contents for me. Go check it out, do some photos, and see how it is. Fun today?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I guess Modelo time, you know, so I don't know what should I get. Should I get the dirty or the Mexican or the basic dish? I don't know. Alright, the Mexican is pretty good.
My boy right here. The Mexican?
The Mexican.
With everything?
Everything.
Got you, bro. Check this out. Alright. No minutes till I see I'm holding his dick up and shit. He better lay low. For the bitch that said I'm some shit about him. For the niggas who be claiming my hood and really hit for my game. Better lay low. And then I won't do a thing. Really hope so.
Getting dirty, huh?
Dirty though. All my shit is dirty, bro.
That shit's dirty? Hey, the dirtier the better.
Sucia. Check this out.
Oh,
right?
Oh yeah. That's sick, that's sick.
Enjoy it, brother.
Alright, cool.
That's on the house. Hold for me, hold for me. Let's see what you are. He dogging now. Check it out. Let's see. Let's see. Ah.
Oh, man.
My boy.
10 fingers.
Are
you making it right now?
I got a Supreme I'm making right now. Right.
Man.
You know what I mean?
Woo.
Yes, sir.
Right, fresh.
Yes, sir.
My first time seeing like a pizza made on the spot.
Oh, really?
Usually it's like in a restaurant, but you know.
Yeah, no, for sure. It's the same quality right here.
Yeah, that's sick, dude. That's sick. Alright, so we got some pizza made right here on the spot, fresh. We got the pizza oven. Now this is sick right here. Alright, man, give you a big props, bro.
Alright, thank you, bro.
Yep. Alright, so that's how the pizza's made. This is Instagram at Zach Price.
Told me it was over.
I decided, you know what? This guy's a great salesman. He got me hooked, so now that I'm gonna get a tattoo. Alright guys, so I made it back to the hotel and I had a great day today. I even got a tattoo of LA, as you can see right here. To live and die in LA, yeah. But anyways, the reason why I got it because I've been coming to LA so much that I decided, you know what, I'm going to represent LA as well. And plus someday, hopefully I can move here. I love LA. I love the car culture here, and the people here are so awesome and friendly. And there's so much to do here. LA is so huge that I don't think you'll run out of ideas to create contents here. And probably call it at night because tomorrow morning is the Revival mini truck cruise that starts at 7:30. So I gotta leave from here at 6 o'clock because it's about 45 minutes from here to Marina, California. And so I gotta get up early. So tomorrow morning, I'll catch you guys again. Good morning, and I'm finally here at the mini truck cruise. We got here about 7:15, and right now all the mini trucks are pulling in. It's a pretty good turnout. We're filling up the parking space over here pretty fast, you know. If you do have a mini truck and you're not here, you're missing out. Check out this lineup right here. Pretty sick. Alright. Definitely, we need something like this in the Central Valley. I know that there's a group called SynCal Minis. They're starting out, but then it's very small right now. We need to kind of build it up. That way we can host events like these and go cruising together. It'll be fun, you know?
Hey, where's your board? Did you bring it? No?
If I can start rolling in and get the right Tacoma, I'll probably get the first gen, the Helix. So that way I could do the 4Runner front end conversion. So if you are looking for a Tacoma truck to mess around with, I would say get the Helix. Anything under, I believe, under 95 will be good. That way you can do the front end conversion on the 4Runner. That way it looks pretty cool, you know? Let me show you an example, the 4Runner front end. See how it's pretty much, see like this right here. This is the 4Runner front end. I just love the square headlights. And then the grill as well, the front bumper, and also the fender gives it a little bit wider look to it, where it matches the rears. So definitely, if you are looking for a Tacoma to work with, I would suggest getting the Helix version, so that way you can do that 4Runner conversion. Got the Datsun crew coming through. The cool thing about this event today is that it's not just Toyotas or Datsuns or Nissans or one specific type of car. We actually have all kinds of little mini trucks, the old school trucks, which is pretty cool, you know. I believe there is over 50 cars right here in this lot. Definitely worth my trip coming down and checking out this, so I can learn something from this and take it back to Central California and hopefully build a mini truck scene up there as well. I remember last time there was a little mini truck meet at Woodward Park, and at that time my Tacoma wasn't ready yet, so I couldn't attend. But now my Tacoma is ready. I'll definitely start attending all the Central Valley events as well.
Walk out, dude.
Let's do a quick walkthrough.
Yeah. Yeah. But hey, man, to do this stuff, we gotta travel, you know?
My truck's has a little JDM look to it. van with a Cadillac conversion in front. This Astro van. This is 25 RB. Oh yeah. Saw this one at Toyota Fest. Pretty cool.
Yeah, everything. That's what you see it. 14 cents.
Oh, it has a little cell phone in there too. That's pretty cool. Street Freaks. That's cool. He dropped it all the way down. Pretty sick. A little tracker, hydraulics. Let's check out this one here. I don't think I saw this one yet. Yeah, Mazda B2200. Okay. Pretty clean. Checking out the Datsun.
Which car do you have?
This one's hard body.
Yes.
It's the green one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Alright, I guess so. The cruise is starting, so everyone's getting back into the truck, and we're gonna follow the leader. So we made it to our second stop in Malibu. Just want to show you guys Malibu Beach. Kind of humid, but we got all the trucks out, all the way from over there. About a mile or so. Too much boost?
Yeah, just double checking the bolts.
Don't want to fall off, huh?
Yeah, they do fall off a lot.
The
But
vibration, huh?
Yeah, but I just put some new lock nuts.
Oh, okay.
I'm cautious, so I tested them out. They're doing good so far. I drove already for 2-3 hours.
Are you from the LA area, or where are you from?
San Bernardino.
San Bernardino? Okay. How long you had this truck here already?
I've had the truck for 4 years almost.
4 years? Was it built like this when you got it, or you did it yourself?
No, it was the stock KA, the hard body truck KA.
Oh, okay.
But now the Territory Performance in San Bernardino.
Oh, okay.
Swapped it to the 240 KA. So I have
Oh, okay.
now it's boosted, so it's swapped it again. It's handling good. And it also has a transmission, 5-speed.
So, any future plans to this one, or this is it for now?
It's gonna be a drift truck for sure.
It's gonna be a drift truck? Oh, it's too clean to be a drift truck, man.
I know. That's what I tell myself, but
But you know what? You gotta do what you're happy, right? Yeah, that's cool, man.
not restarting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, well.
Cool, man. Nice truck, dude.
Thank you, man.
Yep. Alright guys, so I'm back at the hotel. Earlier I was gonna do a closing clip at the Mogul Rock where but it was just too windy, so got back to the hotel, took a shower, took a nap, and right now I'm about to head out to the JDM Legend meet over at Blaze Cafe. So last night I was in this hotel room down the second floor, and the heater or AC unit just caught on fire, and so they upgraded me to the better room, which is pretty cool, you know. Has its own suite over here. But anyways, I'm gonna head out to JDM Legend right now, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so that was a brutal drive. LA traffic is no joke. So it took me, it's only at 12 miles from the hotel, but it took me almost an hour just to go 12 miles. But check out this. Making all that noise. The guy's cleaning.
Like this one up for you?
Alright, cool. Just picked up some merch from what's it?
9Live CC.
Nine Live CC?
LIVES.cc.
Alright, cool.
This is our
Got
logo
that.
right here, brother.
Alright.
Yeah, feel free to follow us on IG. Our IG is
Alright, cool.
9Lives number 9 LIVES.cc.
Alright.
Thank you, brother.
Got the
Appreciate you.
Sylvias and the Sylvias, yeah. Alright, thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Yep.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yep.
Appreciate you.
Alright guys, so this is it for today. I'm kind of tired, so I'm probably gonna head back to the hotel, do some photo edit, and then head to bed early because tomorrow morning gotta head back to Fresno. There were so much events here in LA that I couldn't make it to all. I think the reason why was we were stuck at the PCH, the Pacific Coast Highway, for so long because of that little accident. Somebody ran into a bicyclist, and so we were stuck in a PCH for a few hours, and so I couldn't make it to the 240 day hosted by JDM Carboy, but hopefully next time. But anyways, I think this is it. Call it a day, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and like and share, and I'll definitely catch